Is the Protosmasher Library DLL missing error hurting your performance? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm here to implement a permanent fix for your gaming stack. Before we get into the manual guide for Protosmasher Library, you can try the suggested utility for improving overall system health. This is the Protosmasher Library, associated with the Protosmasher Exploit framework for Roblox. It manages the localized memory hooks and bytecode injection required for custom scripts. Because it is an execution tool for process hijacking, it is almost always deleted by Windows Defender as a high-risk threat. Now that the background is clear, let's walk through the actual installation steps. Errors involving Protosmasher Library DLL typically indicate that the Protosmasher files within your application are damaged, so reinstalling the specific software you are using that is throwing the error will refresh the local file tree and restore the module. When a fresh installer fails to clear the error, it typically points toward a deeper conflict within the Windows execution layer. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the Protosmasher library file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. I know it's frustrating if the restart didn't work, but don't worry, we have a more advanced solution ready. If you need to pause the video to take a breath, please do. Rebooting didn't restore the monitoring tools, so let's run a command to reset the performance indicators. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, these files rarely suffer from physical corruption. Instead, their registration in the performance hive becomes desynced. This command purges those stale entries and rebuilds the registry links. Let's look at a key safety rule that will keep your PC protected while we address this error. Always prioritize system safety by avoiding manual swaps of Protosmasher Library DLL. Downloading individual DLLs from third-party sites is a common way for hackers to inject spyware and ransomware directly into your operating system. Let's conclude by looking at how a system maintenance utility can help keep your performance optimized and your libraries synchronized. For structured configuration management, the optimization software referenced below includes Protosmasher library-related documentation. Thank you for trusting us with your system repair today. For more configuration tips and Protosmasher library error resolutions, don't forget to like and subscribe.